Hey, hey, it's Moyo. Everywhere we go, Dr. Jack is back on a beautiful Saturday, running on the river trail in Tulsa. And this is episode 1 of Spread Positive Energy. I left you with a quote in the teaser episode last week. The quote said, "The mind holds the keys to both victory and defeat." And that is so true. So much is dictated by our mind and what type of thoughts we dwell on. And what I want to understand is why so often we dwell on negative thoughts and we spread negative energy. And I want to change that and make us spread positive thoughts and positive energy. And so I was thinking, why is so much of our time spent with negativity? Look on social media. Look on newscasts. Everything is so negative. We just want to spend our time on negative thoughts and negative energy. And that's going to tear us down. But what I think is that I think our default setting in our mind is negativity. It's kind of where we go first. We look at the negative aspects. Something happens, we look at all the negativity around it. And that's our default setting. Our hearts, so many times, just go to the negatives. And part of it, a large part of it, is our environment. When we watch the news, when we watch television shows, there's so much negativity, so much lies, so much deception. It's just our go-to. It's our default setting. And as a result, when we just allow normal things to happen, we go to negativity and we spread negativity. I gave you the example of when we spread seeds of negativity. As we sprinkle those around, some of those negative seeds fall on our own ground and get planted, and negative thoughts grow from that. When those negative thoughts grow in our hearts, it breeds more negativity. So what can we do to change those default settings? It has to be a purposeful attempt to change those default settings. Because when we just let things happen, when we just let thoughts occur or germinate in our mind, they seem to all be focused on negativity. So it's going to take a conscious effort to change that, to spread positive energy. And that's my challenge this week as I launch into this series. What does it take to change our default settings? I challenge you today just to take a look at your default settings. What do you go to? What happens in your thoughts? Is negativity your default setting? I think it's the more natural default setting. And so we have to go out of our way to change that default setting and search for positive energy, to spread positive energy, because it will change our lives and it will change the lives of others around us when we learn how to change our default setting. So my challenge today, think really hard in your life. What's your default setting when something happens that maybe it's not exactly what you thought was going to happen? Is your first thought negativity? Do you spread negativity? What seeds do you sow in your life? What's your default setting? Let's take a serious look at that, because the keys to both victory and defeat, as well as positive change and negative change, are all kept in your mind and how you control it. So think about that today. Episode 1. What's your default setting? How can we change that and spread positive energy? Moyo everywhere we go.